Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a data partition or shrink a partition on Windows 11. First open File Explorer. As you can see in File Explorer there is only one C drive. So I will create one more partition for data. So later there will be two partitions or two drives, namely Drive C and Drive D. Now click on the search icon on the taskbar. On the search bar type hard disk. In the search results will appear create and format a hard disk partition. Now click open to run this program. And this is the main window of disk management. As you can see, on the hard disk there are three partitions. EFI partition, Windows partition, and recovery partition. The only partition we can shrink is the one in the middle, namely the Windows C partition. To shrink Windows partition, right-click on Windows partition and select Shrink Volume. Here you can see the total size before shrink in MB. Size of available shrink space in MB. So this is the total shrinkable size in MB. And also you have the option enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Because I will create a new partition of 75 GB, then I will type in this field 75,000 megabytes. And this is the total size of the Windows C partition after shrink. If you are sure everything is okay, then click Shrink to start the process of shrinking the Windows C partition. As you can see, the Windows C partition has been divided into two partitions. But this partition cannot be used because it has not been formatted. So now we need to format this partition. Right-click on the unallocated partition and select New Simple Volume. Here at Welcome Windows just click Next. On Specify Volume Size leave it as default and click Next. Here you can choose a drive letter or you can leave the default drive letter as the system recommendation. To continue click Next. Here you can see Format Volume with following settings. On the file system you can choose NTFS or XFAT. On the allocation unit size leave it as default. On the volume label I will name it as data. And then click Next. And then click Finish. Wait until the formatting process is complete. The format process is complete and the partition is labeled Data. Now check File Explorer. As you can see in File Explorer there are two drives, namely Drive C as Windows and Drive D as data. That's how to create a data partition in Windows 11. And if you have any questions just comment down below. See you in the next video.